In this video, we explore the log data view. Go to the well, job, and pass you want to view. Click the Log tab. Select the project you want to look at. Within the project are a list of saved scenes, which will take you to an area of interest. This project contains just one scene. Select the scene. This scene contains several data files. Click the tabs to switch the display between them. Now let's look at the caliper data. The central track contains array data. To the right-hand side, additional auxiliary curve data, which may be recorded with or calculated from the array data, is displayed. Here we are also displaying a well schematic. We will hide this for now. As you move the mouse down the tracks, the guide tells you what depth you are at. Notice that the cross-section updates too. Above the tracks, the headers contain the scales for the array and log data. The status window gives you information about the array data. See how the ARN number and value updates as you move the mouse over the array. The statistics window shows the value of the auxiliary log curves at the cursor depth. Now click the 3D tab to see a 3D representation of the well. Grab the 2D tab and move it so that you can see both 2D and 3D displays side by side. You can resize the tracks and rearrange them as you wish. Notice when you zoom in over the 2D section, the 3D section updates. Now let's look at some of the 2D options in more detail. Maximize the 2D window. To zoom into the data, click then drag the left mouse button. Click the right-hand mouse to see other options to move around the data. Go to Depth, Full Range. We can show or hide specific tracks. We can resize the tracks. We can choose how to display the array data. Just curves, just VDL, or both. All these options and more can also be accessed from the settings icon. Now let's look at the 3D display. This display contains inner and outer surfaces of the pipe. Click on the settings icon to access all the display options. Let's hide the OD surface for now. We can look at the data as a surface or a wireframe. We can look into the pipe with the cutaway option. We can toggle between fly down and pipe mode. Now let's show the outside diameter too and make it transparent. We can remove all the annotations or just show what we want. We can adjust the scaling and zoom level of the display. AIVA uses a data reduction algorithm to display the data efficiently. In this example, we will choose maximum to ensure that the largest radial values, which indicate areas of possible penetration, are displayed. Finally, in this display, we have caliper, thickness, and OD data files. Drag the tabs to display them side by side. When we zoom in on the first track, the depth ranges are different. We can sync them to the current range. In a later video in this series, you can find out how to add more sections into the display and sync your log data with the stitch and video. Thanks for watching. Check out the other AIVA videos to discover how to bring your data to life.